Eileen Kate Tabia. Han, mao ni ang desisyon nga wala ug dili gyud nako pagkamahayan. Ang desisyon nga ni bag-o sa akong kinabuhi. Ug mao na niya na jud ta niining takna ug pagasugdan ang next chapter sa atong kinabuhi na magkuyog nga magigugmaay.
Can't wait to show you your bedroom. Take you walking through the neighborhood. Show you all of the beauty around us. See the world that God called good.
Wives, submit to your own husband. No? Mga asawa, pagpasakop kamo nga masinugtanon sa inyong mga bana, kay ang bana mao ang ulo sa pamilya, maingon o si Kristo ay ulo sa iyang iglesia o simbahan.
I think that you're gonna love it. I'm so excited because it's a beautiful world that's been waiting for
10 years
you,
that we've been
my
together,
dear.
and since the day I met you, ikaw ra jud gihapon ang akong gipangandoy. Every day jud ko kapasalamat ni Lord kay gidala jud ko niya padulong nimo. Gipangandoy ug giampo ta ka na makauban ka habang buhay.
Feels unfamiliar. Baby, you are gonna fit right in. You should know that we
My love and now my husband. After 10 long years of being together, at last, this is it. I promise to stand by your side through thick and thin, to cherish and support you and to love you unconditionally. I vow to love you in times of joy and cry with you in times of sorrow.
I think that you're gonna love it. I'm so excited because it's a
Ug karon na maging usa na ta, sa tubangan sa Dios, promise nako nga sugod karon that you will still stay. I will still the man that you deserve. And I vow to be a good provider for our future family, to be a good husband and a good father for our future kids.
Romel and Hailin, take note. Para dunay order sa panimalay, mao na ang order sa Ginoo. That the wife will submit to his own husband. Ang mga asawa mo sabitan sa bana.
I think that you're gonna love it. I'm so excited because it's a beautiful world.
I promise that I will still always care for you, always listen to your stories and struggles, and always your shoulder that you can lean on. I promise that I will love you forever. Silent Kid, I love you with the love of the Lord.
That's been waiting for you, my dear. I think that you're gonna love it here.
Today, I take you as my beloved partner, to share everything to you, to stand beside you as we build our future together. I love you so much with all my heart.